MySQL is an open source relational database management system. In this video, I'm gonna discuss and give a complete review of MySQL along with many details plus pros and cons. Let's get started. History. MySQL was created by a Swedish company MySQL which was founded by David Exmark, Alan Larsson, and Michael Monti-Widenius. The development of MySQL began in 1994. It first appeared on 23 May 1995. It was called MySQL at that time, and it was considered too slow and inflexible to the creators. So they created a new SQL interface, keeping the same API as MySQL. The name MySQL is a combination of My, which is the name of co-founder Michael Widenius' daughter, and SQL, which refers to structured query language, is written using C and C++. Popularity. MySQL is one of the most popular, widely used, and most used SQL databases. MySQL has over 5 million active users with over 35,000 daily downloads. Pros of MySQL. Number 1. MySQL has one of the best user interfaces. Number 2. It has a lot of filters and queries that can be used with the existing databases. Number 3. It is an excellent SQL database management system for small-scale industries. Number 4. It provides one with essential security. Number 5. MySQL is beginner-friendly, easy to use and understand. Number 6. It allows to import tables from other third-party apps. Number 7. MySQL is stable and powerful. Number 8. It's well documented. Number 9. It's easy to set up than other softwares. Cons of MySQL. Number 1. MySQL is unreliable for large-scale projects. Number 2. Price of MySQL business and enterprise is very costly. Number 3. It takes more time to execute when there is too much data. Number 4. It consumes high memory while running. Pricing. MySQL has 4 editions. Number 1. MySQL Open Source, which is free. Number 2. MySQL Enterprise Edition that costs $5,000. Number 3. MySQL Cluster Grade Edition that costs $10,000. Number 4. MySQL Standard Edition that costs $2,000. Rating. According to J2, the rating of MySQL is 4.4 out of 5. And according to Captera, the rating of MySQL is 4.6 out of 5. So the rating of MySQL is excellent. phpMyAdmin. If you are a web developer, you must have listened about phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is a free and open source administration tool for MySQL and MariaDB. It is a portable web application written in PHP. It is now one of the most popular MySQL administration tools, especially for web hosting services. It is used to manage backend websites. MySQL versus phpMyAdmin. MySQL is a RDBMS that stands for Relational Database Management System. On the other side, phpMyAdmin is a web application that lets one to manage MySQL. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like our video and subscribe to this channel. You can also ask any question in the comment section. I have a blog site where I discuss more these contents. You can visit there. You can also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Hope to have a nice and good day. Goodbye.